We are your English teachers. Before we begin our lesson, I want you to stand up and sing with us.
Are you ready?
Great, so let's begin.
How do you do, everybody? How do you do? How do you do, everybody? How do you do? I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. How do you do, everybody? How do you do? How do you do, everybody? How do you do? I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me.
Let's review what have we learned from our previous lesson. Teacher Josh will say,
What is this? You have to say, this is. And if Teacher Josh say, what are this? You have to answer me, this are.
Great, so let's begin.
Okay?
First, what is this?
Very good. This is a small mouth. Next, what is this?
Well done, children. This is a big mouth.
Next, what is this? Well done. This is long hair. Next, what is this? Very good. This is short hair. Next, what is this? Well done. This is a short nose. What is this? Well done. This is a long nose. Next, what are this? Well done, children. These are long arms. Next, what are these? Great, children. These are short arms. What are these? Great job, children. These are long fingers. Next, what are these? Well done, children. These are short fingers. Next, what are these? Well done, children. These are small ears. Next, what are these? Very good, children. These are big ears. Okay, we're down for two more. Next, what are these? Very good. These are big eyes. And last, what are these? Well done, children.
These are small eyes. Now, are you ready for our new lesson? Great, so let's begin. The letter is F. The sound is F. Big letter F. Small letter F. Now repeat after teacher. The letter is F. The sound is F. Your turn. Well done. The letter is F. The sound is F. Big letter F. Your turn. Very good. Again, one more time. Big letter F. Next, small letter F. Your turn. Great. Again, one more time. Small letter F. Very good, children. So this time, Teacher Josh will show you some word that begins in F sound. Are you ready? Great, so let's begin. Flames. Flames. Fishing. Fishing. Farm. Farm. Flamingo. Flamingo. Fireworks. Fireworks. Now, let's use the word into sentence. And I want you to repeat after me. Let's begin. The word is flames. Flames. Your turn. Great, together with me. The word is flames. Flames. Well done, children. And next, the word is farm. Farm. Your turn. Very good, children. So together with Teacher Josh, the word is farm. Farm. The word is fishing. Fishing. Your turn. Now together with me. The word is fishing. Fishing. The word is flamingo. Flamingo. Your turn. Great, so together with me. The word is flamingo. Flamingo. And last, the word is fireworks. Fireworks. Your turn. Great, so together with me. The word is fireworks. Fireworks. Well done, children. So this time, Teacher Josh will say, what word is this? And you have to say the word is. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. What word is this? Very good, children. So the word is flames. Next, what word is this? Well done, children. So the word is fishing. Next, what word is this? Very good. So the word is farm. Next, What word is this? Very good, children. So the word is flamingo. And last but not the least, what word is this? Well done, children. So the word is fireworks. Great job, children. That's all for today. So hold on. Before we end our lesson, let's sing our goodbye song. Stand up.
The English lesson is over. The English lesson is over. The English lesson is over. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. The English lesson is over. The English lesson is over. The English lesson is over. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.